What's going on, everybody? Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today we're going over the Ember Overland. This is a 201 FBQ. That's front bed queen with the slide out. Let's get into it. The interior of this unit is beautiful and bright and utilizes every single inch of the camper to optimize for as much storage as possible. It's got European style dual pane acrylic windows with integrated shades and screens. You can have your screen like that or like this. Easy to use. If you want to change it out, do it just like that. Above the queen bed, the Stargazer skylight. Perfect for either letting light into the camper to brighten it up, or at night, checking out the stars. Works either way. It's got a trans-core structural composite floor and Asdel laminated onboard composite walls and rooftop. Benefits of composite: it's that it's lighter than wood, it's more durable, it's waterproof, and it resists pests. Starting all the way at the back, adjustable shelves, push them up for more space. 2-door 12-volt 10 cubic foot fridge. It's got hardwood cabinet doors and drawer faces throughout. Lots of storage in the kitchen, both above and below. It's got a microwave up top, 2-burner cooktop just below that, and a stainless steel sink, as well as seamless countertops. Into the bathroom, porcelain foot flush toilet, hooks for your towels, large medicine cabinet with the sink and more storage below, and a 32-inch radius shower with the skylight and the Shower Miser freshwater reclamation system. Unlike water flow restriction devices, Aquaview's patented Shower Miser freshwater reclamation system recirculates unused fresh water before it ever goes down the drain, saving you money and extending your fresh and gray tank capacities up to 40% without changing tanks or adding weight. No more wasted water or money. More storage right on the sides. And a jackknife sofa with a removable dinette. Easy to take off and store anywhere. The jackknife also easily converts into a bed that can sleep up to 2 people. And not only does it have storage overhead, but right back here, right next to the USB ports, it's got some deep storage out of sight. Across from the sofa, 32-inch TV, and more storage below. Right down here, that door leads right outside. Easy to access your storage from inside and out. And even more on the side here. Queen bed with both overhead storage and storage on the side and below. You just lift that up and you got a little bit of extra space. Shirt closet here, and a little bit shelf back there, as well as an outlet and another USB port. This unit is equipped with the Max Solar Package, which upgrades you from one 200-watt solar panel on the roof to three 200-watt solar panels on the roof for 600 watts total of solar, upgrades you from a 1,000-watt inverter to a 3,000-watt inverter, and gives you a 270 amp hour 12-volt Battleborn Gamechanger Lithium-ion battery and an upgraded Bluetooth MPPT controller, as you see here. Easy to access, just right on the bedside. This RV has an unloaded vehicle weight of 5,255 pounds, cargo carrying capacity of 1,320 pounds, for a gross vehicle weight rating of 6,575 pounds. It's 24 feet 1 inch long, 10 feet 4 inches tall, and has a 16-foot power awning. It's got a 5-sided aluminum frame construction with fiberglass siding and an enclosed radiant underbelly. Tandem axle with 16-inch nitrogen-filled Goodyear Wrangler off-road tires, and a Kurt suspension system for a smoother ride. Exterior storage, which passes through right into the interior under the entertainment center. Pass-through storage with tons of space. And right on the front, the gearbox, which holds two 20-pound LP tanks. And on the other side, more storage, which is lockable. Off door side, pass-through storage. Got the battery disconnect. Got the tank heater button for the 12-volt tank heaters. And the convenience center. It's got the hot water heater bypass valve. It's got an XL freshwater tank of 55 gallons, a gray tank of 35 gallons, and a black tank of 35 gallons. It's equipped with 30 amp service. And on the backside, spare tire, 2-inch receiver hitch with a 300-pound capacity, and a ladder which you can store inside the trailer. It folds down, takes you up to the fully walkable roof where you see the three 200-watt solar panels. And when you're done with it, it folds right back down. You can put it inside the trailer or in the pass-through storage. This RV is perfect if you plan on going off-road, as it is equipped with the Max Solar Package and off-road radial tires. The MSRP on this one is $73,467, but we got it on sale for over $20,000 off of that. So come check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.